My name's Rachael Brooker and I'm a Schemes Supervisor at Milestone. I started off requesting permits for street works, which allows people to work on the road, and also maps for services underground so that when we work and dig, we don't hit anything. I then needed a bit more of a challenge, so I did that for about 1 year and then applied for a job as a Schemes Supervisor. So supervising the works on site, planning, organising, making sure that the works are done safely and that the quality is upheld. There isn't really a typical day, which I like. It varies. Some days I could be in the office, planning the works, organising them, raising orders for people. Other days I could be out on site, dealing with lots of different people, different contractors, inducting them, looking after the health and safety of the job and making sure that they're doing everything they should be doing and to the quality that it should be done at. At the minute I'm working on footway resurfacing schemes, and I'm also part of the active travel, which is improving cycleways, footpaths and just bettering Cambridgeshire for pedestrians and cyclists to promote healthy travel and less car journeys. My proudest career achievement so far would be completing my uni degree. So Milestone put me through a 3-year part-time degree in construction management, which I completed in July of this year. Organisation, communication, problem solving, the ability to learn, and also people skills, because you've got to work with a lot of different people, so building good working relationships is key. Every day is different and there's always a challenge. There's always something new to learn, and I'm picking up new things every day, which is why I love doing what I do. Give it a go. There's so many different roles you can do within this industry. So if you pick something and then you decide you don't like it, there's always something else you can do. Even within Milestone, there are lots of different opportunities. So I'm the Schemes Supervisor, you could be Schemes Manager, you could work in the depot, being an operative, or even a depot supervisor or manager. You've got project managers, commercial teams, so there's lots of different roles within the commercial team. You could also work within procurement or even environmental. We have environmental specialists and you could work within their team too.